morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, the sun in my face. You guys, it is Monday morning, and as you see, I'm in the car. I'm actually about to head to the post office and drop off 2 packages of earrings. I don't know if I mentioned here on this channel, but I do sell earrings. I sell beaded bracelets. I do have a Etsy shop. I will link it down below, you guys, if you want to go and check out what goodies I have. You know, Christmas is coming up, and these are perfect gifts to give someone for Christmas or for yourself. But yeah, if you check my shop out, you'll see what kind of earrings I do have. But I'm just so grateful and blessed because these 2 actually are going to Texas and California, you guys. Like, I just sent some other ones out to I think Louisiana, and also I forgot the other state. I think Alabama. I sent those 2 off the other day. Well, lady ordered a couple of them, but yes, I'm just so grateful that it's building and it's growing, you know. So yeah, check my shop out, link down below. But anyway, today is Monday, and you guys, I love Mondays. I've said it before. I love Mondays because I feel that Monday is like a productive day for me. It's the beginning of a work week, and it just kind of gives me time to see what I want to do throughout the week and just organize everything. You know, I just love Mondays. I love morning times. The sun has rose, and it's like 9 o'clock right now. So I had to get back home and get my daughter ready for her class. My son is already up and ready. My daughter's up as well, but get them ready for a class because, like I said, they do homeschool. And yeah, I'm just excited for today, and I'm just excited for you guys to tune in. I don't know what today holds, what I'm pretty much going to do today, but I just wanted to come on and just, of course, you know, talk to you guys. I miss sitting in the car talking to you all. I told my husband, like, I want to get back to sitting and talking to you guys, and you guys communicating back with me, you know, giving you some encouragement and just pour my heart out. And this channel is for that. Mind, body, and spirit. That's what I want to lead this channel to, not just fitness, health, but health for your mind, body, and spirit. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. This, well, starting now, but I'm going to make a shift for this channel to be that way. So, you guys, if you haven't already subscribed to follow me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Anyway, yeah, I'm headed to the post office, like I said, and I'll catch you guys later. I decided to make me some oatmeal. This is just plain rolled oats with brown sugar, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and some chopped walnuts. I have my coffee, and you guys, for my creamer, I will be using Planet Oat oatmeal creamer. This creamer is really good, free from dairy, peanuts, gluten, and soy. And I put about 2 tablespoons in here, which is only 25 calories per tablespoon, which I don't really count calories. But yeah, I'm about to drink that. And yes, Jesus and coffee, my 2 loves. But yeah, about to enjoy my breakfast. In the car again, headed to the grocery store this time. But today has been one of those like boring days, but it's been kind of productive. I have worked on my Amazon shop, you guys. I'm super excited that I have an Amazon shop now. But you know what, I will link it down in the description box for you guys to go and check my shop out. What my Amazon shop is basically the things that I use and some other things that I don't use but are great ideas that you can use in your home, you know, as a gift or anything like that. So please go over and check my shop out, and everything that I talk about in these videos, and you know, I use them or whatever, most likely will be in my Amazon shop, because I love Amazon. I pretty much get everything from Amazon that I really need for my everyday basis. You know, you can even get groceries from there, but I really haven't gotten groceries yet from Amazon, but I will if I have to. I've gotten like my health vitamins and my greens or whatever from there. But yeah, I've been working on that today. And I also launched, well, I actually posted today on my Facebook page, my like page. I posted, and my TikTok. I also posted my merch I have out now. I'm so excited, you guys. My husband worked with me with my design for my shirt, and I will put that also in the description for you guys to go and check out the different colors that I have. I have up to 10 colors, 10 different colors. So I'm so excited about that, you guys. So yeah, I'm just super proud of myself of the things that is, you know, that I'm doing, that I'm growing, not just here on YouTube, but like I'm spreading it out. But I use YouTube to help get to the people. You know, it's social media is amazing, you guys. If you want to help people, if you want to people to help you, that is the place to go. Is social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. What else? There's Twitter, but I'm not on Twitter. You know, social media helps a lot. It helps to reach people. If you need to talk to people, if you need to get the right kind of people, social media is where to go. But yeah, I'm just so excited to have new things, new ventures, and me and my husband is going to be launching our business website very soon, hopefully about 2 to 3 weeks. And we also have another website which will be like a faith-based well, so I'm not gonna say faith-based, but actually will be. It's like Christian clothing, different accessories and things like that. I'm super excited about that. It's been a long time coming for all of it, but I feel that God is bringing everything together. It is working out for our good, and we're just being patient and just letting God lead the way, and it's just been awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna close out this video. It's kind of me talking today, really letting y'all know what's going on. I'm not doing too much of anything else today. I'm headed to the grocery store. It's getting dark, as you see. It's getting dark, and I'm headed back home and probably just cook some of these Beyond Burgers, and that's gonna be it for today, you guys. And yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and I will see you all. Be sure to check down in the description box of the links I do have, and I will see you guys in the next video.